As a 42-year-old beauty content creator, I'm always critiquing my face, and I've considered surgery a few times. So I decided to give FOREO's new Bear 2 microcurrent toning device a try, and I'm blown away with the results that I'm seeing. This little gadget packs a punch with its 4 types of microcurrent, offering a safe, painless, and non-invasive alternative to surgery. And the results, absolutely incredible. After just 1 week of using the Bear 2, I noticed a significant improvement in my skin's firmness and elasticity, all without any potential complications of surgery. It's the only device on the market that targets all 69 muscles in your face and neck, leaving you with a beautifully contoured and usefully firm complexion. I love how easy it is to use. Simply glide it over your face and neck for a few minutes each day and let the microcurrent work its magic. Not only does it tone, lift, and contour my face, but it also improves wrinkles and sagging by increasing collagen and elasticity production. And let's talk about the Tonic Massage feature. It's like a mini spa treatment at home. It improves lymphatic drainage, reduces puffiness, and leaves my skin looking plump, bright, and healthy. And the app is so informative. I love the step-by-step instructions and all the features it provides. Overall, I'm beyond impressed with the FOREO Bear 2. If you're looking to rejuvenate your skin and achieve a more youthful complexion, this device is a game changer. Definitely check it out.